Welcome back, cleaning enthusiasts. Today, we have an exciting video for you as we explore the top 5 household cleaning tools that will revolutionize the way you clean your home. From innovative steam cleaners to powerful vacuum attachments, we have it all covered. So, let's dive right in. Our first must-have cleaning tool is the KOITAT Pressurized Steam Cleaner. This compact and portable device harnesses the power of steam to blast away dirt, grime, and bacteria from various surfaces in your home. Whether it's kitchen countertops, bathroom tiles, or even upholstery, this steam cleaner will leave them sparkling clean in no time. Its easy-to-use design and wide range of attachments make it a versatile tool for all your cleaning needs. Next up, we have the electric spin scrubber cordless cleaning brush with 5 replaceable brush heads. The ultimate solution for effortless and efficient cleaning. This innovative power scrubber comes with 5 replaceable brush heads, allowing you to tackle various cleaning tasks with ease. Say goodbye to the hassle of scrubbing bathroom fixtures, shower floors, windows, tubs, and sinks manually. The cordless design of this scrubber gives you the freedom to move around without being restricted by cords. Powered by a rechargeable battery, it provides continuous cleaning power without the need for constant battery replacements. Simply charge it, and you're ready to go. With its high-speed rotation, the electric spin scrubber effortlessly removes stubborn dirt, grime, and soap scum. The different brush heads cater to different surfaces, ensuring optimal cleaning performance for every task. Whether you're dealing with tough stains or delicate surfaces, this power scrubber has got you covered. Now, let's move on to a tool that helps keep your home safe and energy efficient. Introducing the Holikme 11 Pieces Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. The ultimate tool for keeping your dryer vents clean and your home safe. This comprehensive kit includes a 40-foot dryer vent brush, an Omnidirectional blue dryer lint vacuum attachment, a dryer lint trap brush, and vacuum and dryer adapters. With this kit, you can effectively remove lint and debris that accumulate in your dryer vents, reducing the risk of fire and improving the efficiency of your dryer. The various attachments cater to different cleaning needs, ensuring a thorough and convenient cleaning process. Keep your dryer and home in top condition with the Holikme Dryer Vent Cleaner Kit. Introducing the Korunb Magic Window Groove Cleaning Brush, your go-to tool for tackling those hard-to-reach areas. This handheld crevice cleaning tool is designed to effectively clean window or sliding door tracks, sills, towel lines, shutters, car vents, keyboards, and more. The unique brush design features flexible bristles that easily reach into narrow grooves, crevices, and corners, removing dirt, dust, and debris with precision. Say goodbye to tedious scrubbing and hello to effortless cleaning. Compact and lightweight, the Korunb Magic Window Groove Cleaning Brush is easy to maneuver, allowing you to navigate tight spaces with ease. Its versatile cleaning capabilities make it a must-have for various cleaning tasks around your home or even in your car. With the small clean kit included, you have everything you need to achieve spotless cleanliness. Experience the satisfaction of a thorough and efficient clean with the Korunb Magic Window Groove Cleaning Brush. Last, but certainly not least, we have the Fein Turbo I Wet dry vacuum cleaner with dust extractor and attachment set. With its impressive 5.8-gallon capacity, 151 CFM suction capacity, and 98 psi static water lift, this vacuum cleaner is designed to handle both wet and dry messes with ease. The Fein Turbo I features a dust extractor, ensuring that dust particles are captured effectively during the cleaning process. This not only keeps your environment clean but also promotes better air quality. Equipped with a comprehensive attachment set, this vacuum cleaner allows you to tackle a wide range of cleaning tasks. From floors to carpets, upholstery to delicate surfaces, the Fein Turbo I has you covered. Whether it's a spill, debris, or even fine dust particles, this vacuum cleaner's powerful suction will leave your space spotless. Experience the efficiency and reliability of the Fein Turbo I Wet dry vacuum cleaner for a truly deep and thorough clean. And there you have it, folks. Our top 5 household cleaning tools that are guaranteed to make your cleaning routines more efficient and enjoyable. From the KOITAT Pressurized Steam Cleaner to the Fein Turbo I Vacuum Cleaner, these gadgets will transform the way you clean your home. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to our channel for more cleaning tips and product recommendations. Also, let us know in the comments below if you have any favorite cleaning tools.